It finally happened. My system developed a leak. Unfortunately, it was my own fault. I needed to move the entire tent a couple feet to make some room. While moving the RDWC system, it developed a small leak. The leak started at the base of the drain bulkhead in the reservoir. This is the largest and most expensive bulkhead in our setup. So how do you deal with a leaking RDWC system? The first fix you should attempt is tightening the bulkhead. If your bulkhead has become loose, that can lead to leaks. If tightening your bulkhead doesn't fix the problem, we'll have to take more extreme measures. The best solution in this case would be to move our plants to a different system. This will allow us to fully repair our problem in a dry environment. But what if we're in the middle of a grow and have no place to move our plants to? This cuts down our options significantly. We can't allow our system to fully dry, or so will our plants. We also can't keep our plants out of water for the length of time a lot of products need to cure. In this situation, I turn to Flex Seal paste. It begins to cure once exposed to air, moisture, and humidity and will skin in 15 to 30 minutes. It will also cure while underwater. The downside is this is not an aquarium-safe product. So if you are worried about any chemicals leaching into your nutrients, this probably is not for you. That being said, I was out of options at this point, and didn't want to lose an entire crop to a small leak. To fix the issue, I first drained the system as I normally would for feeding. I then removed any excess water around the bulkhead and dried the area. Using a putty knife, I apply the paste around the bulkhead in question. Once we have created a new seal with our paste, it's time to let it dry. We'll want to wait at least 30 minutes for the product to form a skin. I waited about 3 hours to allow it to set up a bit more. Even this amount of time is going to stress your plants, and it will show. If possible, I'd recommend trying this fix when you normally swap out your nutrient solution. This way, you minimize the amount of time your plants are out of water. Hopefully, this fix allows you to get through the rest of your grow. Once your crop is harvested, you can then go back over the paste with an aquarium-safe silicone, which should seal away anything in the flex paste that's not aquarium-safe if you were worried. Have you ever had a leak in your deep water culture system? How have you dealt with leaks in the past? What products would you recommend if faced with this situation? Let us know down in the comments. Hopefully this gets our leak under control until it's time for harvest. And I hope you'll join us next time for more Show Me Hydro. Have you got a question you would like answered? Is there a topic you would like to see discussed in a video? Let me know in the comments and I'll see what I can do. Would you like to support the channel? Head on over to patreon.com/showmehydro to get all the garden updates, early video previews, harvest watch photos, and behind-the-scenes content you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out on this savings. Grab yourself this $5 coupon off your order at AC Infinity. Use the link in the description or head to bit.ly/smhaci5 to get yours today. If you would like to see what I'm growing, join us every evening on Twitch at twitch.tv/showmehydro. If you enjoyed this video, remember to click that like button and subscribe.